Alright, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a raw website puller in Python. I already have a GitHub set up. I'm just going to get straight to the subject, showing you guys how to do it. First of all, make sure you have Python installed. If you have Linux, it shouldn't need to be installed because Linux usually comes with Python. Anyways, so what you want to do is create a new text document and I'm going to name it test. You guys can name it whatever you want. And then put .py at the end of it. And just accept that. So now you can see I have test.py. Alright. So here you have Visual Studio Code opened, ready to start coding. First, what we're going to want to do is we're actually going to create something in here. This is the repository I created in GitHub. I'm going to go ahead and create a new file, and I'm just going to name it test.txt. So I've put down, this is a raw text right here. So what you want to do is just click commit new file. And when that's done, you want to click on the file again and click on raw. It's going to bring you here. This is the easiest way to just pull normal text, basically. You're going to copy that link. Now since you've got your Python open in here, you're going to want to import one thing. You're going to import URL lib requests. Do not import requests. There is a requests module, but it's way more compatible on Linux than Windows. For Windows, I always use URL lib. So we're going to do import URL lib dot requests. Now what you want to do is you want to set a URL. This URL is actually going to be equal to the URL we just copied, which is the raw text. Then you're going to do URL. I'm just going to do CG stands for content get. You don't need to put it. You don't need to make it that. But then you want to do URL lib dot request URL open. I'm not sure why it's not auto completing, but it should work. Alright. Then I'm going to do URLC, stands for URL content, equals URL CG. Dude, not even the variables are autofilling. It's weird. And then read like that. Then you're actually gonna want to decode this. It's very easy to decode something. What you do is urlc.decode, because this basically just decodes it from byte format to UTF-8. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and start this program. Alright, so we're actually going to import one more thing called OS. We're not going to OS. You need to do 2 arguments to make it compatible with Linux and Windows. If you want to make not 2 arguments, 2 different command line codes. But I'm going to do OS system and quotes. Pause. No. So I'm running Windows. Alright. Go ahead and get out of there and go into here. So you can see right here it worked. It pulled it from the website. This is a raw text. If I didn't have the pause there, the only reason why I added the pause is because if I didn't have it there, it would just show that for like not even a split second and disappear. But that's how you pull raw text. You can pull websites and stuff, like you can use this to download websites. But if you're trying to pull text from a text box in a website, there's a little bit more code to that. This is just a simple understanding, probably the best way to, create updates, auto updates, cloud, or GitHub. I always use GitHub. I used to use Pastebin, but that's not really a good idea. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, turn on the notifications, and comment any ideas in the comments below. I mean, any ideas. I'll try my best to answer them or do those ideas. Again, thank you for watching. Peace out.